This thing came in here for two different problems. Rear doors don't lock with the switch, and the door handle's broken. There's two Phillips head screws in the door handle. This cover has to come off. There's plastic tabs holding it on right here. And one right there. Just be careful when you go to take this off. There are plastic tabs that do break, and especially since it's old, just be careful. This will have to be disconnected. Some of these do just slide out like this one. No clip, nothing. You have to get a screwdriver to wedge in here and here. That one might. Figured it'd be a little bit easier with both hands. There's that. Now we just have to get the door panel off. There are rivets all the way around in the door panel. Just one push rivet for that. And should be ready. Got some that are missing, but you know, you'll have that. And we're wanting to get here. So that can be done is going through here and getting the 10mm bolt out. There's one 10mm bolt here. Down. I wonder if taking this off would help any. For that, I'm using the T30 torx. Went ahead and loosened these up with a T30 torx. After taking all those bolts out and the latch loose, you can then go up here. Kind of fidget it out. Take this panel off. You can get to the tin here and the tin here. So once you have it this far, you take off the clips. Probably just seized. There's one, the top rod, and then you still have the bottom rod on the lock. So the same thing you did for this rod, you do for this rod. Boom. So we got the new one. We're gonna have to remove the lock cylinder, which is pretty easy, and then put it on the new one. And for this, you'll just have to get a screwdriver, press the tab in, and boom. Just like that. Take the lock cylinder. Boom. It's in there. Now we just need to put the two connecting rods back in. We'll leave this clip like this. So once you got them both loose and out of the core, once it's in the hole, you're gonna wanna push the clip back in. Sorry about that. Alright, now that that's in, press that tab in. That should hold it. Now we have to dig the other one because I dropped it. This is a good reason to have an extendable magnet. To go in the ledge. So, it's like that. And the door. Make sure not to get the gasket. And boom. Now we gotta get the lock. Alright. New door handle. Very simple from where this right here on the latch is loose. That made it a lot easier to make this 10mm back in. Now that I got some detailing that, so I'm gonna have to use that. So something that is easily done to keep your bolt from falling out of the socket. You can take a piece of paper. Boom. Tear the edges you don't need off. That should do it. Go ahead and let it adjust. Alright, now you're going to want to put the T30s back on. Pretty simple. Oops. Now one more. Get this all tightened up. So yeah, you really didn't even have to take these 7mm out. There's an access hole right here, 10mm right here. Take the T30s out. Slide this out, and boom. Make sure everything works. And then just put it back together. And then we just go back on. Now I'll put it back in. Ooh, all of them fell there. Put back in. Get the connectors back. Put all the trim back. Really good. Now we just need to figure out the rear doors.